Welcome. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the process of blocking pop-up permissions on Google Chrome for your PC, especially after the new update. Pop-ups can be quite annoying, and learning how to manage them effectively will enhance your browsing experience. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome browser on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon in your taskbar or searching for it in your applications. Once Chrome is open, navigate to the site you want to manage. This could be any website where you frequently encounter pop-ups that disrupt your browsing. Next, look at the address bar where the web address is displayed. Click on the icon next to the web address to view site information. This icon may look like a lock or an information symbol, depending on the site's security settings. After clicking the icon, a small menu will appear. Here, you will find an option labeled Site Settings. Click on this option to proceed to the site-specific settings. Now you are in the Site Settings menu. Here, look for the section labeled Pop-ups and Redirects. This section controls whether pop-ups are allowed or blocked for this particular site. To block pop-ups, simply choose Block next to pop-ups. This action will prevent any future pop-ups from appearing while you browse this site. And that's it. You have successfully adjusted the pop-up permissions for the selected website in Google Chrome. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy a smoother and less interrupted browsing experience. Remember, managing pop-up permissions not only improves your online experience, but also enhances your security by reducing exposure to potentially harmful pop-ups. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Enjoy browsing without those pesky interruptions.